Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways of how you can freeze frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So let's begin with the quickest and easiest way to freeze frame. First of all, we have to position the playhead at the point where we would like to freeze the frame. Let's say this frame right here. Then right click on the video in the timeline, navigate and select Insert Frame Hold segment. And here we have added this frozen frame with the duration of 2 seconds. Now if I replay the clip quickly, that's the frozen frame. And then the video continues until the end as normal. If you wish to adjust the duration of this segment, just hover over the right border and drag it to the left to make it shorter. Or if you move this section out, you can drag it to the right to make it longer. Okay? You can also hover over this section, click Ctrl on your Windows PC and drag it to the left or to the right. And then as you can see, the rest of the clip is also moving along. So that's the shortcut that can save you time. Now if I go back to the defaults, just click Ctrl Z on my keyboard. Then the second method, if I select a different frame now, let's say this one right here, then navigate under the preview window, click on this icon Export Frame. You can give it a random name, something like ADAD. Select the format, let's say JPEG. You can also give it a path where your frame is going to be exported and saved on your PC. And make sure you tick Import into Project. Click OK. And now our frame has been added to the project bin. So just drag and drop the frame right where you left your playhead, like this. I'm going to adjust the duration, make it shorter. Then click on the razor tool, split the clip at the playhead, go back to selection tool, then move this part out, drag this image down, close the gap, and now if I replay, that's the frozen frame, and then the video continues as normal. Okay, so that's method 2. And then the third method is slightly different, or it serves slightly different purpose. So if I position the playhead on, let's say this frame right here, right click, navigate and select Add Frame Hold. What this does, it actually freezes this frame, but then it freezes until the very end of the clip. So if I play my video like this, that's the frozen frame and it continues until the very end. So this is good for specific projects. And this is it guys. This is how you can freeze frame in 3 different methods using Premiere Pro. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.